Hi, I'm Laura with Nature Investigations, and this week's Nature Mystery is something that you might find in an old field. The question is, what creates this ball of leaves on goldenrod? The rosette of these bunch of leaves together on a goldenrod is called a goldenrod bunch gall, and it's caused by a midge, which is a tiny fly. Galls are abnormal plant growths that are caused by things like two plants rubbing together and the friction, or insects, or fungi, or even worms. Some insect larvae release a substance that mimics plant growth chemical, and this causes the plant to grow excess cells or larger plant cells at that site where the larva is, and that is how the gall is formed. For the goldenrod bunch gall, the gall is caused by a midge, which is a type of insect. The insect emerges in the springtime, and the female looks for the topmost leaf bud of Canada goldenrod. That's where it will lay its egg. The egg will hatch into a larva, and the plant reacts by having this larva inside the plant tissue by trying to grow the leaves around it. But the larva inhibits any stem growth above that point. While the larva lives inside the gall, it feeds on the plant material. And then come fall, it pupates and then it emerges as an adult. Those adults lay eggs in the soil. In 2 weeks, those eggs hatch into larvae, and those larvae stay underground and overwinter in the soil. They will pupate and then emerge as adults and the following spring, and those are the ones that then find Canada goldenrod leaf buds to lay their egg in, and the cycle begins anew. Winter is the time of year when you can find galls because they're obvious without all the leaf growth. So next time you're in an old abandoned field, look to see if you can find any goldenrod bunch galls. I hope you enjoyed this week's Nature Mystery. See you next week.